You asked me how am I gonna pay?
Yes.
I could pay the 20% down, and I can get on a payment plan for the rest. I have income.
You got money, huh? I know you
No.
keep buying them cars. Let's go and put the appearances of the officers on the record. Officer Tyson.
Because he's going to stay with another one. Yes.
You got to turn the television off or down or mute, please, Ms. Green.
You got it.
All right, Officer Tyson. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
All right. Can you put your appearance on the record, please? Your name, badge number, and department.
Detroit Police Department, badge number 987, Officer Tyson.
All right. Good morning to you. Corporal Hayward, good morning to you.
Sorry about that, I was muted. Good morning, Corporal Hayward, Detroit Police Department, badge 1004.
Good morning, Officer Bush. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Officer Bush, badge 4781, Detroit Police Department.
Officer, good morning to you. Officer, is Officer Taylor here? Everybody showed up for Ms. Green. Officer Taylor.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you. Name, badge number, and department, please.
Yes, sir. Officer Zacchaeus Taylor, badge 4691, Detroit Police Department.
All right, good morning to you. And then maybe one didn't show up, Officer Sanchez. All right. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Miss Green, I'm going to put you in the breakout room. Mr. Berry's going to work this out for you. All right, try to do it as best you can. Work it out. And let's go back on the record with Ms. Green. Ms. Green, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is prepared to accept the offer of the people to allow her to enter 5 pleas of allowing and 4 pleas of improper plates. The remaining matters to be dismissed.
You know what I neglected to tell you? I'm sorry. Is that she's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 other tickets that are not on the docket.
Okay, I'm ready to take them down, Your Honor.
That would be a driver's license suspended, an improper plate, a no insurance misdemeanor, an unregistered untitled, a disregard and a red signal, an expired plate. Green, you don't let nothing stop you from getting around, do you? Traffic lights or nothing. Get Ms. Green an updated offer.
Again, those charges were license suspended, improper plate, no insurance misdemeanor, no registration, expired plate, and
a disregard and a red signal.
So I sped. I followed too closely. I ran a stop sign. I almost hit a Chevy. I sped some more. I failed to yield at a crosswalk. I changed lanes in the intersection. I changed lanes without signaling while running a red light and speeding.
All right, what's going to be the new deal? If there is any new deal.
there is a new deal, Your Honor. The people's offer, 32
Back on the
charges.
record. Go ahead.
The people's offer as to 32 charges is to allow her to enter a plea to 6 charges of allowing and 6 charges of improper plates. The remaining matters to be dismissed.
Oh, what about the limited access?
I apologize. And 1 charge of limited access 1 to 5 for the disregarding a red signal.
All right, Ms. Green, you want to take the deal?
Yes.
Raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for these offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice on rights in the breakout room, did she not? Did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
All right. How are we gonna do all of this?
Well,
6 counts of improper plate and 6 counts of allowing and 1 count of the limited access 1 to 5.
That's
correct, Your
correct.
Honor.
Are you working the screen?
No.
And let me draw your attention back to December the 1st, 2024, around 4:03 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Sunset and Otter Drive. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Did the officer ask you to produce valid driver's license, insurance, and registration?
Yes.
You couldn't do either, could you?
No.
Did you run the red light?
Yes.
So there's nothing gonna stop you, is it?
No.
Red lights, nothing. All right, find her guilty of the amended count of allowing as charged to the improper plate. Amended count, you couldn't produce the insurance or anything, could you?
No.
And why not? You didn't have any of that, any of those documents?
No, I don't have the title to the car. We bought the car from the truck from the auction, and we can't get the title. I can't get the title. They haven't sent the title yet.
What does that mean?
I mean, they ain't supposed to drive.
That's as simple as that. I don't know. I got a car sitting out in front of my house now that I don't have a title to. I can't drive it. But as I told you, it's nothing gonna stop Miss Green. She's gonna get where she needs to go. Find her guilty improper plate 2 times. All right. Let's go back. And we'll just take the most recent ones. Let's go back to on a month before, on November the 1st, 2024 at 10:46 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Greenfield and Westfield. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Officer asked you to produce valid registration and insurance and a driver's license.
Yes.
Couldn't do so, could you?
No.
Why is that?
I don't have any.
Find her guilty of any count of improper plate for the no insurance as charged to the improper plate and amended count of allowing for the driver's license. Let's carry you back. There's some more cases on here that didn't get called.
Man. I'm sorry.
It's not me, it's you. That's not you. That's not you. That's another. This is the case where it's 2 Patricia and.
Thank you.
Yes.
The last time they kept getting me mixed up with somebody else. You know, yeah, we going over all these tickets.
Yeah, but this here.
But most of them mine.
I know, these are yours. These are yours. Yes, this here is, that's the other Patricia Ann. And she showed up too, didn't she?
Who, me?
I know, I think the other Patricia Ann showed up. All right. And I think she had a death and somebody died.
I don't know, but I know she was much younger than me. They got the ages mixed up.
All right, let's go carry you back to June the 13th, 2024 at around 7:34 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Mack and French Road. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Mack and French Road, Mack.
June
Yes,
13th.
yeah,
You are operating a motor vehicle,
coming over the bridge.
and you got stopped by the Detroit Police Department.
Yes,
Officer asked you to produce valid registration, insurance, and a license, correct?
correct,
You could not do either, could you?
correct.
Because you didn't have anything, right?
No,
Find you guilty as charged the improper play. Amended count of improper plate for the no registration. Amended count improper plate for the no insurance, and allowing for the driver's license. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 misdemeanors. And the one civil infraction, I'm missing one. Do you want to get that other one just for good measure, Mr. Bowman, or are you satisfied with that?
I'm satisfied, Your Honor.
All right. Court satisfied. Stipulate the probable cause will dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
thank you.
The biggest thing is this. Not working. So how are you going to pay?
Sure, right.
What did you ask me? You asked me how am I gonna pay?
Yes.
I could pay the 20% down, and I can get on a payment plan for the rest. I have income.
You got money, huh? I know you keep buying them cars.
Oh, you funny.
I got money now. I'm not like the half these people you see, Judge, come here broke and begging.
It might have been the perfect match.
Mr. Gaines, I keep muting you, and you keep unmuting yourself.
Hello?
Don't unmute yourself, Mr. Gaines. All right. I don't know which ones. Miss Green, you have 1, 2, 3, civil 4, 5, 6, no, 5 civil infractions, 210, 180, and 288. The 288 is the one that's holding you up, at least with the 36th District Court, for getting a license. Those were in default long ago.
I want to pay off my tickets. I'm trying to get my license straight. And whenever I get that title, I am going to get my title and registrations, everything straight, and my insurance.
I just want to see you be able to get the license. Mr. Bowman, any objection to setting these defaults aside?
No objection, Your Honor.
Is any objection to dismissing these cases?
Dismissing them?
Yeah, well, they're all in default long ago, and she's pled to 11 misdemeanors and 1 civil infraction.
She had 36 cases, Your Honor.
I know. Well, what do you want about? Well, there's no sense in setting them aside. You just got to pay them, man. All right, what we'll do is we'll just do it. Don't worry about the setting aside. We'll just pay those, and then I will fine you. I'll fine you on 3 of them. 240, 240, and 240. All right, and then no fines on the rest. And then you got you have the 125. Well, I'll find you the 125 on the limited access. You have the 125, 240, 240, 240. You have 144, 192, 288. That's the first thing you should pay. You pay that 288, you should be able to get a driver's license, or at least, I don't know, because with all this, you gotta have some tickets in other jurisdictions.
No,
but
I
I
don't.
see you don't. You only hang in the city of Detroit. Because you're all over the city.
I go to Farmington.
East side, west side, everywhere.
No.
Yes,
I go to
you are.
Farmington, Archer Lake. They don't stop me out there. They just dog me in Detroit.
No, but you go out there, but you're all over the city.
West
Both
Blues
sides
here.
of town.
Right. But I'm gonna
Pay
stop.
the 288, come back on review on the 17th of January,
This shit
2025
serious. We gotta get on this shit.
at 8:20.
Is there a number with this 288, a ticket number?
Yes, you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
SP 11589583. I'll read it again.
Thank you.
SP
S who?
11
S who?
SP as in Sean Perkins.
SP 11
589583.
Okay, thank you.
That would be the first one I would pay. And then
Okay.
after you pay that one, you can come down with the 20% and set up the payment plan. But if you pay that one, you'll set yourself up. You wait 48, 72 hours and go to the Secretary of State and see if they'll give you a license. I don't see anything else affecting you to get the license. I will waive the warrant fees. You're gonna be responsible to pay any reinstatement fees too. But the 288 is most pressing. And then you get into the payment plan. You're gonna have to come down. So come back on January 17th. If you got that payment plan, you're done with me.
Okay, thank you so much. Happy holidays.
Yeah, have a safe, happy holiday season to you, Mr. Green. Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
All right, let's get back on point. This is the
Thank you,
city of
Mr. Beard.
Detroit.